Yeah, hello to my video. Today I want to show you how I repaired a Sony tape deck. Usually I buy my Sony tape decks from eBay or eBay Kleinanzeigen. That's a platform here in Germany where you can get technical stuff for a pretty reasonable price. This Sony tape deck I got off eBay Kleinanzeigen. I blended in the pictures just before for only 10 euros plus postage and packaging. And as you can see, the postage and packaging was really good. The guy I bought the Sony tape deck from really took his time and was really great in packing the component. So the reason why the tape deck was so cheap is, of course, the seller said that the right side of the tape deck, the cassette part that is responsible for recording, was running too fast. So I thought, well, I'll check it out and see what is wrong with it. Well, optically, it's in really good shape. It's got no dents and no scratches. The front is basically perfect. The display, even though I haven't plugged it in yet, looks great. So, optically, no problems whatsoever. So, to check out whether it really is running too fast, I plug in my faithful little Bluetooth box. I've had it for quite some time and it's really cool because you can there it goes. You can stick in the outside of the tape deck. I will usually use it to test all my tape decks when I fiddle around with them. So, okay. This is a 3000 Hertz tape I bought off a guy from Czechoslovakia, I think. And I have this app on my smartphone. And with using both together, I can check out whether it's too fast, too slow. Left side is running quite well. Basically, it's spot on, so no problems there. The guy said the right side, the recording side, that is the problem. Oh, yeah, definitely too fast. Yeah, sorry for the shrill sound. I'll probably blend in something to warn you to turn the volume down. So I checked out the left side, looked inside the tape deck mechanism. Oh, well, everything looks fine. So that was the playback side, no problems there. Stuck in another tape. Actually, there were still 2 tapes inside when I got the tape deck. One with music. This kind of music. Okay, so time to take off the lid and have a look inside. Of course, before you take off lids from electrical components, be sure to pull the plug out, otherwise you'll get an electric shock if you're unlucky. That wouldn't be too much fun, I guess. So taking out the screws is easy. Let's take off the lid and have a look inside. So I checked the internet before, and apparently this is one of the last tape decks Sony ever made. And basically you can see that they wanted to save a lot of money, and the components of the deck are pretty cheap. Plastic flywheel, well, the mechanism of the tape didn't look too promising. Rest of the inside looks okay. I'm not a technical expert, but for me everything looks the way it should. And very important, I looked at the little potentiometers that are necessary to make it run faster or slower, to control the speed. In goes my tape speed check tape. Okay, yep, left sounds good. Spot on, I would say. Sorry for the shrilling sound. Okay, let's check the right side again. Oh, that can make a cat scream. Even the knob for a pitch control didn't do much, so I fiddled around with the little potentiometers. Okay, that made it run a little slower, but still not close to the speed I wanted. See, 3000 Hz tape and we're at 3600. Way too fast. So I looked inside again, checked out the mechanism, the motor. At the back of the motor there's a little hole where you can put in a screwdriver. I tried that, but couldn't make it run any slower. Okay, put in the tape again. Then I noticed that playing the B side sounded really distorted and slow. That sounds strange, I thought. So finally I took a look inside the B deck, and what did I find? Well, that was the reason for the whole caboodle. Some tape wound round the capstan. Easy to fix, easiest fix ever. I took a pair of pliers, just had to peel it all off again. Okay, easiest fix ever. Didn't have to change anything. Didn't have to change the belts, didn't have to grease anything, belts were still fine. So just clean the heads, clean the capstan, and Nearly there. Nearly there. So just a small turn of the speed control inside the tape deck. And we're there. Perfect. So I checked the record feature from left to right with my speed tape, and sounded okay for me. So there you have it. Easy fix. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.